You know that 9 out of 10 retail trader lose their account money. So who makes money in the market? Now if you are trading for some time, you know very well that the smart money makes money from the market. Now what about this 1 out of 10 trader making this money? Does she or he has any special strategy? Very simple. Those who trade with the smart money are considered as a smart trader and they makes money even being a retail trader. When I began my trading journey back in 10 years ago, I was continuously losing money until I realized that I'm not trading based on smart money concept. So today I'm gonna show you how I made $15,500 just in a single trade using smart money concept. I'll explain step by step what are the factors that I considered that is smart money trading every single day in the market. Now before I explaining this smart money concept, guys, make sure that you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay, today. So before we go to the real chart, let me quickly explain what is in fact smart money concept. As you know that smart money doesn't trade like the retail trader. Let's imagine a typical market scenario where a market is falling, creating series of lower high, which is typical downtrending market structure, which is a downtrend without any question. When a market in a downtrend, the only thing that we look at is for selling. Now when do we think of buying? When a market changes its downtrend to an uptrend. Now a downtrend will never just change in one go. It must form any kind of structure that is identical. That is where smart money thinks of buying and selling. Now when a trend got exhausted and prepare for a change, it normally behave a bit differently. In some cases, you could see that the market has formed an inverted head and shoulder and then change the trend, or you could see that the market has formed a double bottom and then change the trend, or you could see the market is consolidating for some time and then break out from that consolidation. Now that is not all, because when a market consolidate for a change of trend, that is where the smart money accumulating positions for bigger move. Now if you look at this zone here, this is where, let's assume that this market is consolidating here and then break out from that consolidation. So until this consolidation, the market acting here as a resistance. From that zone we saw that the selling happened, which is a very important supply area, and we saw that there is another selling happen, and whenever the price is going to the supply area, price is dropping down, and then finally the market has been able to break out from that structure, and then what we can expect, a retest of that supply area as a demand area. So when a supply area clearly defined as a demand area, that is where the smart money buying and selling, which is called an order block. Now this is not all. This is where sometimes the traders makes mistake. As soon as the price is touching that level, buying, just thinking that okay, this is a smart money zone, acted here as a supply area, now it is acting as a demand zone. But in majority of the time you see that the market even come further, because the patient trader wait for the market to deepen before going long with the smart money. And this is one of the secret that I use in my trading, and that is where the order block, after price action confirmation, we can look for buying, and that is what I have done in majority of my trades when I trade based on smart money. Now let's look at the chart to see exactly how I use this smart money concept to find bigger trade in the market. Okay, today, so let's look at this GBP USD. Now, as I mentioned before, the first thing that we need to look at the trend. Now, if you look at this market here, what you see that this GBP USD, this is the 4-hour time frame, a very good time frame for intraday trading, and we saw that the market was creating series of lower high, which is a clearly defined downtrending market structure. Now in that downtrending market structure, we saw the GBP USD was consolidating for an extended period of time, which is a sign of change of trend. And finally, with a very strong impulse, the price has broken out of that consolidation, completely signaling potential change of trend. Now this is not all. As I mentioned, we need to identify the neckline of that pattern. So if you look at the breakout, this is the breakout point of GBP USD. Now if we draw a level in that area, there was a huge breakout. What we saw that the market has formed a huge impulse, and again the price has come down, created multiple false breakout, and finally GBP USD has managed to come back even below that order block where the smart money in the past we saw that there was a selling happen, and we saw that this level acted here as a resistance, has broken out, has come back down and retested that level as a support and penetrated multiple times. If you look at this price action, will tell you that exactly that smart money is buying from this level, because the way they buy, the candlestick pattern form is completely identical. Now afterwards, what you saw is still I was not happy with that trade, because a change of trend happens after multiple liquidity grab, and finally when the price take off with this huge liquidity, this is where I have entered this massive trade on GBP USD. And as you can see on the screen, this is the same trade also sent out to the VIP group. As soon as I have opened that trade, GBP USD didn't look back. The price has gone up to massive 294 pip on that single trade. That has given me $15,500 only from this single trade. As you can see, this is a very high risk to reward ratio trade with a smaller risk, bigger profit target. That's how the smart money trade the market. I hope that guys you enjoyed this smart money concept to trade the market. If you want to explore more, then you can join us today. The last moment of Black Friday sale is ending in just couple of hours. Still couple of spots available. You can find below this video the coupon. Use that coupon to join us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to be part of the trading community. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.